RV Halo App, Geofence Setup. Open the RV Halo app. Log in if necessary. Tap Location at the bottom of the screen. A membership is required for location-based features. If you do not have a membership, you will need to sign up for one to proceed. Tap Geofence. Tap the plus sign to create a geofence. If you have not already set a GPS source in the app, you will be prompted to do so. Tap RV Settings. Tap the GPS source drop-down and select the desired GPS-enabled device you wish to use as the GPS source. Tap the check mark in the upper right corner. Tap Geofence, then tap the plus sign to create a geofence. Size the geofence to cover your desired area. The default geofence shape is round. You can change the shape using the shape drop-down. The polygon shape allows you to use multiple points to create a custom shape for your geofence. Use the alert setting toggles to set the desired alert type. If creating multiple geofences, you can use custom names for each geofence. With your geofence setup, tap the checkmark in the upper right corner to save. Tap the back arrow twice to exit. You have successfully set up a geofence in the RV Halo app.